Dear my big bear, do you believe in love destiny? I never believed in such thing until I met you during my first orientation at WSU, was far away from home and without knowing anyone or anything in the campus. Your best man James called you Angel in his book, and I totally agree with him. You never knew me before, but when your uncle asked you to help his granddaughter, you didn't hesitate once. I have to admit that I never met any young guy that is so friendly, helpful, and generous to the stranger like you. So I couldn't help fall in love with you since then. And of course, after you gave me blue roses for my 20th birthday, I still remember that special moment. We have been together for almost 8 years and 5 years of long distance relationship, but it was really hard for us, but we went through everything together. We had so many fights because we couldn't understand each other or even said break up a couple times, but I am glad that we never gave up on our love. Honey, you have done so many things for me and always by my side when I needed you. You are already a part of my life and I'm so thankful for that. Today, July 6, 2019 is our big day, the day that we dreamed of 8 years ago. I still can't believe it's happening. I don't know what we're going to do after a wedding, but I'll try my best to take care of you. Like what you have done for me for the last 8 years. Especially I would love hearing good morning and good night wishes from you to the rest of my life. And let's explore the world together. I love you a lot, your wife, Kim.
Nói chung á, nhìn thấy con cảm động quá. Cho chị biết ồn đấy. Kim, it has been 8 years since we first met. I remember when I first met you, you were skinny. Your parents asked me to take care of you because they didn't know anyone from Pullman. I accepted the request, and since then, I always remember what your parent told me. Today is the special day. Today is when we get married. I can't wait to start the next chapter with you and the 3 dogs and our kids in the future. I promise to love you and take care of you from today until the rest of my life.